Fire. My name is Sisa.
And I am Samir.
Today we're going to be making
a smoothie. So step one is the oats. You put them in water for overnight, but I put too much oats, so you only need to put like that much. So I put some oats into the smoothie cup, and you can put as much as you want, but we're doing a low carb. And the reason why we are adding oats is so that it's kind of like a breakfast if you don't want to eat anything.
You just mean how much you want. If we're going to use like the full, or you can use half. So now we're going to put in the banana.
So you need 1 handful of frozen fruit. It doesn't really matter on the frozen fruit you buy, but we chose the whole strawberries, sliced peaches, and blueberries. And the other one we have is, what we won't be making today, is a blend of mango chunks, peach slices, whole strawberries, and pineapple chunks. Now I'm going to put my handful of fruit in. So these are chia seeds. It's completely optional. It has high fiber, high protein, and there's other benefits that it does to your body. This is how they look. They're very small, and now it's time to add our little chia seeds into the smoothie cup.
Yeah. We're just adding some crushed coconuts.
So like a substitute for the chia seeds is flax seeds, and some bodybuilders and like healthy people on a diet use whey protein that you can add to the smoothie too. And like I did with the oats, I left them out overnight. You can put figs and dates in water and leave it overnight to get additional fiber benefits for the morning breakfast smoothie. So you can also add honey to make it even sweeter. And you can use almond milk, any type of other milk, but I'm going to use some Dairyland 2% milk. So now we just have to add half of the smoothie cup of milk.
Yummy.
Now I'm going to put the blade on for the magic bullet to blend all of this.
Yummy.
Now the good time to
blend.
So you need to stop and go, otherwise the magic bullet will heat up and not work anymore. So pretty much like an explosion.
Stop. 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 Stop.
So you do it about like 45 seconds, just repeating until you do not hear any blending, like any of the fruits or stuff blending. Okay, now it's time to pour it in our cups and to
Drink it. Yummy.
and
Now it's time to taste.
how is it, Isa?
Good.
So now you have a breakfast ready in under 3 minutes if you don't feel like eating or you're running out of time to cook. So under 3 minutes, it's healthy, easy, and quick to make. And if you're running out of time, it's a big benefit and it's healthy. So I'll leave in the description below where you can buy a magic bullet in case you don't have one. So Make sure you look at that. So now it's Samir and Isa
Signing off.